Just got the trailer all hooked up. It's been at my mom's for the winter. My four-wheeler's been here so she could plow snow with it. Got it all loaded up. That's a perfect fit with the four-wheeler in there, and the blade just perfectly fits in there. So anyway, got it loaded up. It's kind of a mess, but I'll get it cleaned up once I get over to the property and have a little bit of time. All right, good morning everybody. It's another week. I just dropped off my tool trailer I picked up on the way over here to my property, hooked onto the dump trailer, headed down to get a load of road base, and I'll get a kind of a fine grade on this. I got a little more stuff in my tool trailer, some string and stakes and whatnot, so I can be able to get it a little more accurate, and then I'll compact it again and do it however many times I have to till it's perfect and compacted. So that's the plan for today. And then maybe I'll get my tool trailer a little organized and get a little bit of wood stack that I just dumped this winter when my back was hurting. So that's the plan. Got a thin layer of ice on the spring this morning. I've seen a lot of deer today. I'll hit that little guy. I've probably seen 200 deer just coming up the creek and back down. Got it marked. We'll see how exact the guy can place this thing. Hopefully he can put it right where I need it. Now I'll have to move it afterwards. Alright, I had a little extra road base, which I was kind of planning on, so I can fill in the entranceway where that Conex is going to get delivered. I don't want it to be too rough for him to get in here. But I'm not going to put it... So over there is... Right there is where I've been coming in, but eventually I want my entrance right in the middle here. So I'm gonna cut this fence, because he's not gonna be able to get through that tight gate anyway. Cut this fence, and right in the center of between that corner and that corner, in the center is where I'm gonna put this road base. And eventually I'll, put a culvert in there and stuff too, but anyway, at least I'll have the material here, and he can get in here, and that's where the material will be when I get a culvert. just used the dozer. Got this all leveled out, got it packed, turned into a pretty decent entryway. I'm sure it'll settle a little bit over time. Alright, well, I've got the entryway done, I got the pad done. So I just got a bunch of wood that I hauled up here this winter when my back wasn't feeling very good. I didn't stack, I just dumped it out and drove away. So I'm gonna get all that, and I'm gonna be using that wood. I dumped it up top, I'm gonna use it down here on the bottom part of the property. So I'm gonna get it, load it up, bring it down here, stack it nice. And then it's only 12 o'clock, I'll probably have enough time to run up the mountain and go for a little hike. Got everything loaded up. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. It was kind of some tedious, boring stuff, but I got that pad all perfect level, ready to go for a Conex. Got some wood stacked and organized, got this fence moved, got the gravel put in the kind of ditch out front to make an entrance. That way that guy can get in here a little better. And yeah, it's still only 3 o'clock, so I'm gonna run up the canyon real quick, go for a little hike.